Oh, it feels so good to be a Drake fan right about now. I want you to put the word out. We back up.
I want you to put the word out there that we back up. Understand me? We back up.
Family, and I'm talking to my Drake fans right now. It was hard for us these last 2 years. Let's keep it a buck. I remember when the battle went down, the internet streets were not very kind to us. And those of us who stayed loyal, we caught it the worst. There's a lot of Drake fans right now that temporarily went to that other side, and don't worry, they shall be forgiven. But the ones who stayed loyal, we were in the trenches. We were the ones making the YouTube videos, out on social media, sharing our points, defending the boy, making the case that he not done, he gonna make a comeback. And I'm proud to say we are living in the reality where we have been proven to be correct. Family, my name is Providence, and I'm here to tell the truth. We are in Iceman season. It's Iceman week. Iceman drops in a few days, and the whole world is anticipating it. Not just the Drake fans, but we are seeing Backpedal City, even from the haters. The anticipation is palpable. We were told Drake was done. He's dead. He's finished. They call him all kinds of vicious PDF files. Everything under the sun was thrown this man's direction. Yet he has proven his necessity to the game. Hip hop is starving right now. They're thirsty right now. We are out in the desert right now. We haven't had a hit in months right now, and everybody wants Drake back, and the haters have been forced to admit, or at least they will be forced to realize, they probably won't admit it, but the man is a necessity to the game because there is no replacement for Drake. And yes, folks, there will be no accountability for all the people who called Drake vile things. People are going to act like none of that stuff was said, because to be honest with you, if you were convinced that this man was abusing children, then he should absolutely not have your support. But everyone's going to act like they didn't believe those things and say those things and defend those things online as they listen to his album. There will be no accountability, but it's all good. That's the world we live in. I've accepted that. We've now watched the media personalities of the world, the Charlemagnes of the world, the Joe Buddens of the world, drop their exclusives, talk about what they heard is going to be on Iceman. And I get it. They're content creators. They're going to talk about it. But wow, they sure seem pretty excited to talk about someone they said was in the grave, finished, done. Why aren't they talking about Kendrick Lamar like this? He's the #1 guy. Don't you remember? Why aren't y'all I've heard he's supposed to be dropping an album this year. Why don't I hear the same level of speculation? What's going to be on it? Who's he going to be talking about? Who's he going to be dissing potentially and not potentially? I hear zero conversation about the supposed #1 guy. There were some talks about maybe he was pulling some of his songs. Some of his songs had disappeared for 5 minutes or so on various platforms, but they were put back. Who knows? Maybe that was an intentional play for some attention. We know that Kendrick is an attention whore. He needs attention at all times. But at the end of the day, no one's talking about this guy. And one by one, all of Drake's enemies have come back into the fold. I'm hearing that Future may be on the album. I personally don't think that he should be on the album. He's ungrateful. And another longtime collaborator in Rick Ross was copping pleas as well.
Drake, if you listening to this, homie, listen to me. My nigga, shine. I don't want to see you lose. No real nigga want to see you lose. That ain't what niggas about. This culture, this game, this rap shit, this ain't what it's about. I don't want to see you lose. Real niggas just want to see real niggas shine together. Real niggas come up together. You understand? When I was the #1 nigga in the rap game, I showed niggas love. When French was on fire, he showed niggas love.
Oh, Drake, I never wanted to see you lose. I got caught up in the hype. I need a feature, Drake, please. I never wanted to see you lose. We was just having a little fun, man. Shine on, homie. Iceman, baby. Why are you so cold? Please I know. I guess I wasn't a real ninja before, but now I am because I don't want to see you lose, man. Real recognize real, dog. I'm sorry, Drake. Oh man, it feels so good to be a Drake fan right about now. The album ain't even dropped yet, and people are already groveling because they all know what's coming. Iceman's about to slam every last one of these dudes, drop about 4-5 hits on their head top, and everybody's about to say, man, y'all chose the wrong side. Listen, I have no federal authority, bro, but if I had federal authority, May 15th would be National Stay on That Side Day. All of you K-bots that are about to act like you had love for the boy, stay on that side. Let Drake fans have this one. And to my Drake fans, let's enjoy the moment. We toiled with the boy. We stood with the boy. This one is for us. Let's enjoy the music. Let's tune out the hate, because to be honest with you, all this so-called love that Drake is seeing right now, it's going to turn to hate. They're going to fake hate on the album. You know that the critics are going to write their reviews 5 out of 10, not that good, this, that, and the third. They're already prepared to hate it. Even as they have the album playing in the background, they're going to be hating on it. So tune out all the noise, enjoy the music, and recognize that only the real music is going to last. And we'll see everybody's opinion on Iceman 5-10 years from now. But this is our moment. Family, it's been Providence, enjoying the week with all my fellow Drake fans. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you anticipating Iceman or nah? Is the Iceman hype legitimate or nah? Is Drake gonna come through? Is Iceman gonna be trash? Let me know. If you made it to this part of the video, I'd appreciate a like and your support with a subscription. I'm just a small content creator trying to grow my channel, folks. Peace and blessings. I'll see you guys in the next video.